Hey there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to download WhatsApp on laptop. So for this, you need to visit whatsapp.com. So you will be directed to this page here. Now to download the WhatsApp, click on this download button and within few seconds it will download it. Now click on it and it will start installing. So now here it will take 2 to 3 minutes and WhatsApp will installed in your PC. Now here you need to log in. So for that you need to click on this get started button. Now from here let's move to our mobile screen. So here we need to open our WhatsApp. Now here on the top right corner you will find these three dots. Click on it and now click on link devices. Now to link your device you need to click on link a device and here you need to scan this barcode and within few seconds you will be logged in to your PC WhatsApp. So in this way you can download WhatsApp on laptops. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.